And I'm glad that you guys can make it here. It's the first ever Zomato foodie event. Now, may I ask, has anyone already been at the Solaire restaurant already?
Yes.
A few already. Yeah, you were there during the opening.
The opening, yeah.
Ah, talaga. Okay, good. That's good. But at least you have someone. But this time we're touring you around all the restaurants to have a taste of what the anniversary offers at Solaire. It's basically a gastronomic hopping between the restaurants of Solaire, and we wanted to experience what we offer for this anniversary, because Solaire is having its birthday. It's second birthday, I guess. Yeah, I think it's the second birthday. But I hope you guys enjoy. Our chefs are there. We will let you take pictures of the food. We will let you taste the food, and I hope you have a good time. Alright, so we'll stay for 30 minutes. Sometimes it's going to be a stand-up setup, sometimes it might be a sit-down, but it's going to be really quick and dirty. I just want you and the food and the chef to enjoy this experience. So note it down, not really a total restaurant experience, no, but it's more just you and the food. It's like man versus food, something. But it's not going to be like as massive as that. Okay? So I hope you enjoy. Please, Finestra is open.
So this is one of Finestra's offerings for their anniversary, and we are going to taste it. Thank you, Zomato. Yan. Ito siya. Wait. Sarap. Sobra. The meat is just cooked well. It's still juicy. Tsaka hindi siya dry. That's the good thing about it.
Or very special Paella Valenciana. We're gonna yes.
Sabi mo,
Dessert as well. We're project specialty. Para special namin siya na platter. Then, everything at once. You guys can take pictures. And then later on, you guys are ready na to eat. You can sit down and then our service will serve. Sorry na wala na siya kasi it's still holiday for 1 week. So, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm just gonna plate your food, and then in about 5-6 minutes, tatawagin ako namin.
Okay. So, we are done at Waterside. We're gonna go have some tea and cake. At man voice pa rin ako. Oh my God. Camila!
Wala pa.
Meron ka bang iinggitin ngayon?
Si Jessica kasi ayaw niya sumama.
Oo nga. Sabi ko mag-download ka na ng Zomato para nakasama ka sa amin. Hindi mo ginagawa.
Oo nga. Saka pwede ka naman mag-Zomato kahit nakalit lang, Jessica. I'm looking at you.
I know you're watching. We are now at the Oasis Cafe. It's actually just beside Waterside. And they have pastries and tea. So, imagine whining, swimming, na si shop sa Shangri-La. Parang ganito. Pero, mas gusto ko yung ambience dito. Nakakakalman. And we're having green tea and Earl Grey. Pinapainit muna namin. Tapos yun yung mga pastries. Diba? Oh my God. Pang-atlo pa lang namin to. Oh my God. Now, we're on our way to Red Lantern. We just finished Oasis Garden Cafe. Sana yung fridge mamaya. Ayan. Ito yung mga kasama ko. Mami! Mami!
Well, and Chef Endo here is our Japanese sous chef in charge of the sushi bar. What we're giving you today is called the ehumaki. Okay? In English, it's fortune roll. Traditionally, at the end of winter in Osaka, they make these rolls with 7 ingredients in it, representing the 7 deities. Okay? Traditionally, it's eaten whole. Okay?
Oh, like this
Uncut.
one?
Because they don't want to cut the fortune, the connection of the fortune. Okay? But I don't think you can handle that. And they do it this way.
What? Wheat?
Okay. So we made you a mini version, cut. Okay. I hope you enjoy it. We're serving it with fresh wasabi. Here in Yakumi, we use real wasabi grated. Okay, we don't use powdered. We don't have any powdered wasabi. We use the real thing. It's flown in from Japan 3 times a week. Most of the fish we use, except for tuna, lapu-lapu, is flown in from Tsukiji Market, Tokyo. This is the real wasabi. Okay, and this is the real wasabi grater. It's made of shark skin. Okay, that's real shark skin.
They do a smaller portion for all of you. How many of you? 20, 21? 21? Okay, so after that, you can have a taste of all of it. Okay? So very classic mashed potato. By the way, I'm French-Canadian. I'm from Canada. So je parle français. Anybody who speaks French? Un petit peu? Allez, bonjour. Bonjour. So mashed potato, it's made with a lot of butter, okay? And when I say a lot of butter, I'm not joking. It's almost 50% butter.
Wow.
That's why it's so creamy. That's why it's so tasty as well, okay? So I got a mash, so I'll do a line. Okay.
And for our last meal for tonight, here at Solaire, we're gonna have steak. Yeah. Let's try some steak. Well, yung mashed potatoes muna. So creamy. Can't help it, so creamy. Hi guys.
I don't have a problem. Malalaman din nila problem mo.
Where are we going again? Okay, we just came from Solaire and then we went to... From Solaire, saan tayo nagpunta? Tapos ngayon, nasa shuttle service kami ng City of Dreams. Thankfully, City of Dreams have a shuttle service going to Cubao at nakabus sa Shal. And yung bus, yan.
Pwede makita. Habang nag-vlog.
Sandali, makikicharge daw muna si Camila. Halongkatin ko lang yung power bank.